Got you something.
This is your Christmas present you never opened.
Oh.
You want it?
Let's see what it is. Whoa, definitely gonna be an outside thing.
Because you deserve it.
Huh.
And you need to work.
Yeah, we gotta give you a job. Okay.
Oh, that's cool. Whoa,
It's okay.
Spooked her.
Smell it.
That's gonna be yours.
Yeah. This is kind of heavy.
Oh,
And this.
nice.
Hey, buddy, we're gonna have to do this outside.
This is gonna be so fun.
Let's go outside.
Come on. Let's go outside. Come on. I'll show you guys where to go. Follow me. Sunny and warm.
This one, I think, is gonna be bigger than you're used to. Whoa. It's a beautiful day.
That's a short little tunnel. She's like, heck yeah.
It's your tunnel.
We've got a really long one with a castle thing in the house.
It's all right, as long as she goes through it.
Tell her, she knows what to do. See if she remembers it.
Buddy, go through the tunnel.
Yeah, good girl.
Go through the tunnel.
Good girl.
Buddy, go through the tunnel. Yes, good girl. Okay, let me set this
Next
up.
item.
Probably have to get
What else, Daddy? What else?
a few, probably have to get treats for these.
Yep.
I like how most of the stuff we get these days doesn't have directions. This one appears though it might.
Yeah. Okay, I'll help you. All right, so we have a very low, because she's still a puppy.
This is our very first try.
One. She's never done a weave pole.
This is our very first try. Hey, buddy, come on. There. That's okay. It's our first time. Good. Buddy, jump.
Yes!
Come on. Go to the tunnel.
Yes!
Yes, buddy. Yes. Yes. Let's see how many tries it takes to.
Okay, I'm gonna go over here
Gotta
and see.
give her a little more room after she turns and things. Can you see it? Buddy.
She's like, I'm going through the tunnel.
Hey, come here. Okay, ready? Come here. Oh, come here. Oh, she's a firecracker. Ready? Come here.
Weave.
Weave, weave, weave.
Yes!
Jump. Jump, buddy. Go through the tunnel. Yes.
Good girl.
Good girl.
She's so cute. Coming back through? Good girl. Good girl.
Look at this here again. Come here. Come here. Wait. She is really.
I know, she's gonna love this.
I know, like her. She's like this. I'm ready. So I gotta keep it close to her.
Mm-hmm.
Putty, weave, 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 weave. Putty, jump. Yes, Putty. Come on. In the tunnel. Yes.
Good
Putty.
girl.
Yes, Putty. Good girl. That's pretty good.
You're really good. But she's hot. Cute.
Are you cooling down? You ready? Sit. Putty. Sit.
She's like, I need to.
Okay, here we go. You ready? Putty, weave, 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 weave. Putty, jump. Tunnel, tunnel, come on.
She jumped back over it twice.
I gotta get her to jump and turn that way around.
Good girl. You gonna come tell me? Good girl, good girl.
She jumped the tunnel again.
Yeah, she likes the tunnel, and the jump.
Come here. Putty, come here. Ready? What the hell? Come here. Okay, weave, weave, weave.
Yes.
Putty, jump. Wait, that was my fault. Putty, Actually, we
Oh, she wanted to weave the other way.
Puddy, jump. Puddy, jump. Get in the tunnel. Yes. Good girl.
Okay, that's probably good.
She's getting tired.
Yeah, good girl.
Good girl. You're
You're so
first time.
good.
Yes.